To make these no-bake Christmas pudding bites, you'll need to add to your food processor 200 grams of soft pitted dates, 200 grams of whole almonds or any other nut of your choice, 100 grams of mixed dried fruit. I got this ready mixed from the shop and it contains currants, sultanas, raisins, candied orange and lemon peel, everything you need for that classic Christmas pudding flavor. You'll also need to spice things up with a teaspoon each of ground allspice, cinnamon and ground ginger, a quarter teaspoon of salt, the zest of 1 lemon and the zest of 1 orange. As always, the full ingredient list is in the description below. Blend everything together until the ingredients break down and turn into a soft, sticky dough. This may take a few minutes and I recommend stopping the processor every so often and scraping down the sides to make sure that everything blends evenly. Once you've reached this cohesive, sticky consistency, take out the blade of the food processor and then it's time to scoop out little portions of the mixture and use your clean hands to roll them into bite-sized balls. There is something so relaxing about this process and can be a great activity to get little ones involved. The whole family can really get stuck in and it's such a brilliant bonding opportunity. Once you're done, you can pop them in the fridge for 10 to 15 minutes to firm up. To decorate, I used 40 grams of vegan white chocolate, which I melted down in the microwave in 15-second bursts. Stir in between each burst until it was just melted. Top each Christmas pudding bite with a small drizzle of white chocolate, and it's okay if they come down the sides. Then to complete the classic pudding look, I topped each one with a little dried cranberry and a tiny mint leaf. It's such a simple touch, but it makes them look so festive and special. Just like the recipe I shared last week for Christmas fudge, you can absolutely gift this to your loved ones, or you can just enjoy them as a delicious snack over the holiday season. They are sweet, spiced, and packed with all the nostalgic flavors of a Christmas pudding, plus extremely easy to make and kid-friendly. I hope this recipe brings some cheer to your holiday season and that you give it a try. Don't forget to like and subscribe because I post a new video every week, and I'll catch you next time. Bye!